Hamjambo tena. Asante. Ya kwanza ni kuwakaribisha Kericho. Welcome to this beautiful county of ours. Ya pili ni kusema this is the opportunity for us to reshape this conversation ambayo we started a few years ago. Bado hatuja achieve what we set out to do. When we began this conversation, there are many things that we heard from farmers. And I'm sure even today, wakati wakulima watapewa nafasi, wataongea yote ambayo iko kwa moyo yao. Lakini kusema tu, Your Excellency, we still have a lot of work ahead of us. We know where the problem is, and we know also partly what the solutions are. But let's be gathered here today and take stock of the things that have happened, the journey that is ahead of us. Ili, the heart of our conversation as a Kenya Kwanza is that we say it's a bottom-up approach to issues, going back to the very basics. Our wakulima wetu that are here are at the bottom of the pyramid. So today we must listen to them because they must get full value for the hard work. Until such a time when our farmers will get full value for their hard work and the labor that they put in, we will not say that we have done our duty. So karibuni sana Kericho. I don't intend to make many remarks because I'm sure during plenary we'll have a lot of answers and say many things at that particular time. Wakati huu ambapo tutakuwa tumesikiza almost all stakeholders including the regulator. So I want to recognize the various senators that are here. Nataka wasimame. Senate is a house where this conversation began. We first had the Tea caucus team. Hata huyu waziri was a member in the last Senate, together with those